Okay, welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Do not go without subscribing. You can like, share, also make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So tomorrow we would want to know where this GBP USD will be moving, right? But the thing is that there is going to be a very major news, and it is that news that is going to determine the movement on GBP USD. Basically, the movement on the forex market tomorrow will be crazy. Personally, if I'm to advise you, I'll probably say you should stay away from the trade. Do not trade, because when there is a lot of volatility like that, they tend to play out. Liquidity tends to play out because up and down. That is exactly the type of movement will actually play out. Wipe out all traders if traders are going long. Try to wipe out long traders, try to wipe out short trade. Basically, I'm expecting a liquidity playing out, coupled with the fact that not we are also expecting major news on the USD. You can see it, we are also expecting major news on CAD, expecting major news on GBP itself, even JPY, coupled with the fact that tomorrow is even the last day of the week on the forex markets. This would be the bad time to trade. That I'll tell you, it is not a good time to actually trade. If in case you win or you profit, I'm going to tell you it's just as a pure luck. It's just going to be a luck that you actually profit, because there is going to be a lot of crazy movement tomorrow. So probably wait to Monday to place your trade. If you want to go ahead and trade it, personally, I'll not trade. But if I'm to trade, right, I'll be watching out to sell, because one, I'll be expecting a major news on this USD, and I believe that the news on USD will come out fine. I might be wrong, by the way. I don't know the type of news that will come out, but I might be wrong. But I expect it to come out fine. Technically, if there is no major news, technically speaking, you are going to be expecting this drop, right? I mean, when you take a look at this drop, a correction, right? A double top here, another drop, a correction, another drop. This is a correction. After this correction, what we will be expecting next again on GBP USD is another drop. So I will be expecting a drop on this GBP USD. So let's see on the 4 hour time frame, right? That is the drop. On the daily time frame also, you can see that this is a correction playing out. So the news will basically determine the movement on GBP USD, not the technical aspects. So like I said, if you can profit, if you can make a lot of profits from this, it's just really as a pure luck. So that is what I have on 1 hour time frame. This is a correction. So technically, we expect a drop on GBP USD. So that is it. To those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel in the comment section. Also check the channel. I'm going to pin a video of one of those trades we actually took today, which is March of 9th. We've actually gotten to our target. I'm also going to put a link to some of these trades we've taken this week. Check the comment section. You see a link to some of the trades we actually took this week. You can watch it. So if in case you are interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade, I can show you. I'm going to give you that. Is if you become my Patreon subscriber. All you just have to do, sign up with 20 USD, you'll get access to it. You'll be able to see some of the trade we've actually taken, and we still have some couple of trade that is still going on, which we are expecting to take profits around tomorrow. So